Hello, if you're new to my channel, I am Ginger Presley, Elvis Tribute, better known as the greatest TV story ever told. Been singing Elvis songs in public since 1974. So let's try to do some trying. One of Elvis's first big records. I think you've heard it over times. This is a good one. Sitting on my if you can't come around, I tell you what, that's true. I might get you mad. Something that I might ever say. Please don't forget my past. But you choose to ride down you. I tell you what, that's true. I don't want to baby, it's just you. Don't stop the pain. Don't let me feel this way. Come on, you know what you just say. Down there. I say that's true. I should have been there. I didn't love you, baby. When I woke up to the bridge, let us say I didn't know how, and I baby I down to you. I tell you how I asked you. I don't know, baby, this is you. Down to you. I tell you how I asked you. I tell you how I pass you. I don't know why. The baby is you. Well, God bless you. Welcome to my YouTube channel.